Hey, Visionary.
How can I help you?
Take off.
I'll start the engines now.
Follow me and tell me what you see.
Sure, I'll do that. I see a person in an industrial area.
Increase your altitude and then fly 1 kilometer to the southwest.
Sure. Target point reached. Awaiting instructions.
Do you see a house with white cars in front of it?
Yes, there is a house with white cars in front of it.
Fly to the building and see if a parking space is free.
Yes, there are 2 parking spaces available at this building.
Thank you for your help. Please land on the roof terrace of the building.
Roger. I am now starting to land on the rooftop terrace of the building with the white cars. Landing successful. Visionary goes into standby.